if we want to showcase the data from two different data stores in one business story, we can create a merge data store. So in the new option over here, we can find the merge data store option as the last option, where clicking on it, I can select the type of data connector and the name of the data connector on which we have the different data stores which we want to merge together. So here my data connector type is MySQL, and I'm selecting hiring data as my data connector. So I'm going to select the first data store from here, and these are the different dimensions and measures for this data store. Similarly, I'm going to select the second one in the data store 2 option. So here on the right hand side, I can see the merged dimensions from both data store 1 and data store 2. Now next I'm going to specify a condition for the merge, and which will be used for joining both the data stores. So I'm using team as the condition for both the data stores, and finally I can just give this data store a name. So I'm going to give this merge data store as the name. Moving forward, I can specify the data type definition and move the different fields in dimension, measures and time accordingly. Next up, I'm going to give a drill definition over here. So I can give team, and inside the team I want the people of different designations. So moving forward, I can add data restrictions and finally enable the NLP and finish saving this data store. So I get this alert which says that the data store has been merged successfully. And now on top of this merged data store, I wish to create a business story. So first that we will be heading to home, and here I'm going to create a new business story. So once this is done, I'm going to select the merged data store from this list which we had just created as the data store. So now on the left hand side, I can see the merged dimensions and measures from both the data stores which we had merged. Suppose I want to show the previous CDC for people from different sources in the organization. So this is how our business story would look. I can save the story, and this is how we can make a business story on top of a merged data store.